How to build a Forex trading journal using Forex.com data. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Forex.com app. After you're in the app, make sure to log into your account first. After you're logged in, head over to the account section. Now you need to go to the reports or history section. So head over to that. I'll select all the statements, select the date range, and tap on search. I don't have any trading history, so it is not showing up any data, but you'll view all your history over here. Download your trade history as a CSV or Excel file. After that, in the next step, in your Excel or Google Sheets, you can set up your journal with the columns like date, pair, entry-exit price, stop loss or take profit, position size, results, risk-reward ratio, strategy used, trade notes, and after that, you can add charts and screenshots. Using the charting tool on Forex.com, in order to take the screenshot of your setups, you can paste them into your journal in order to visualize your trades and improve pattern recognition. You can review them weekly or monthly, schedule a fixed time in order to review your trades and look for patterns. You can analyze which strategies worked. So that's how you can build a Forex trading journal using Forex.com data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.